Welcome to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best hybrid solar inverters on the market. If you're looking to maximize energy efficiency, cut down on utility bills, and create a reliable power backup for your home or business, a hybrid solar inverter is essential. Let's dive into the features, pros, and cons of each option, helping you find the best fit for your energy needs. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Tumo Garden SP8K48 Hybrid Solar Inverter. The Tumo Garden SP8K48 Hybrid Solar Inverter is a versatile device designed for both residential and small commercial applications. With a focus on delivering stable power in customizable settings, it combines solar and utility power to ensure reliable energy delivery. This video is a detailed review, including the key pros and cons of the Tumo Garden SP8K48. Pros: dual voltage output. One of the standout features is its dual voltage output. This allows the inverter to power a wider range of devices, making it a flexible solution for users needing both 120V for smaller appliances and 240V for heavier equipment. MPPT efficiency. The built-in MPPT solar controller boasts a high tracking efficiency and a maximum conversion efficiency of 98%. This ensures that the inverter optimizes the solar energy it receives, resulting in more efficient energy use and reduced waste, especially in variable sunlight conditions. Customizable operation. The customizable modes utility, eco, and battery allow users to adapt the inverter to specific energy needs. Whether prioritizing grid power, eco-friendly solar energy, or battery backups, this flexibility is ideal for homeowners or businesses looking to fine-tune their energy consumption. Additionally, adjustable charging current settings make it adaptable to various battery types and configurations. Smart fan control. The intelligent fan system helps regulate temperature, reducing energy losses and extending the lifespan of the unit. By adjusting based on heat levels, the fan ensures optimal cooling without over-consuming energy. Cons. Efficiency rating. While the inverter does offer reliable power conversion, its working efficiency of 85% is somewhat lower compared to other high-end inverters on the market, which often boast 90% or higher. For users focused on maximum energy savings, this could be a limitation. The Tumo Garden SP8K48 Hybrid Solar Inverter is a solid option for those seeking a versatile, easy-to-use, and low-maintenance inverter. Its dual voltage output, high solar efficiency, and customizable modes offer great flexibility for different energy needs. Coming in at number 4, the Mtodoyto Hybrid Solar Inverter. The Mtodoyto Hybrid Solar Inverter is a versatile, efficient solution for managing power from multiple sources, including solar energy, AC utility power, and batteries. Designed with a range of intelligent features like smart load management, built-in protection mechanisms, and monitoring capabilities, it aims to provide continuous power with minimal disruption. Let's a detailed analysis of its features, pros, and cons to help you assess its suitability for your needs. Pros: pure sine wave output. The Mtodoyto Hybrid Solar Inverter outputs a pure sine wave, providing cleaner and more stable power compared to modified sine wave inverters. This makes it ideal for powering sensitive electronics like computers, medical equipment, and other devices that require stable voltage and minimal interference. Smart LCD with customizable settings. The built-in LCD display provides real-time data and customization options, allowing users to adjust working modes, charge current, and charge voltage. This makes it easier to optimize the inverter based on specific energy demands and environmental conditions, such as solar availability or load requirements. Wide PV input voltage range. With a wide PV input range, the inverter can handle a variety of solar panel configurations, allowing for greater flexibility in system design. This makes it a good choice for users who plan to expand their solar array or work in areas with variable sunlight conditions. Battery-free operation. Unlike many inverters that rely solely on battery storage, the Mtodoyto hybrid inverter can provide power to the load even without a battery. This is particularly useful for users who want to reduce costs or simplify their setup while still enjoying uninterrupted power. Multiple power sources for continuous supply. The ability to combine power from solar panels, AC utility, and batteries ensures a continuous and reliable power supply. In case one source fails or is depleted, the system seamlessly switches to the next available option, reducing the risk of outages. Cons. Lower efficiency without a battery. Although it can operate without a battery, running purely off solar and grid power may result in lower energy efficiency during off-peak solar hours. Batteries help store excess solar energy for later use, and the absence of one might limit the inverter's ability to fully optimize solar energy usage. The Mtodoyto hybrid solar inverter is a well-rounded and versatile inverter for users looking to integrate solar, grid, and battery power into a continuous, reliable energy system. With features like pure sine wave output, smart LCD customization, and built-in MPPT, it offers solid performance for both residential and small commercial setups. Advanced protection features and remote monitoring support make it a good option for those who prioritize control and safety. At number 3, we have the Powmr PIHY4600 hybrid solar inverter. The Powmr PIHY4600 hybrid solar inverter is a versatile, all-in-one solution designed for both grid-tied and off-grid solar power systems. With its capability to handle solar power generation, battery backup, and load sharing, it aims to provide users with an efficient and convenient option for managing renewable energy. Let's a detailed breakdown of its features, along with the pros and cons to help you decide whether this inverter fits your energy needs. Pros: all-in-one power management. The Powmr PIHY4600 hybrid inverter eliminates the need for multiple devices by managing grid-tied solar power, off-grid backup, and battery storage within a single unit. This makes installation simpler and more cost-effective by reducing the need for additional equipment. Users interested in both net metering and off-grid systems will find this feature especially useful. High efficiency levels. The inverter boasts impressive efficiency ratings with a CSE efficiency of 97% and a maximum efficiency of 97.6%. The PV to battery conversion efficiency of 98.1% ensures that the maximum amount of solar energy is captured and stored in the battery. Additionally, battery to AC efficiency of 96.8% means that minimal energy is lost when drawing power from batteries, making this an energy-efficient solution. Battery-free operation. One of the standout features of the PIHY4600 is its ability to function without batteries. This allows users to install the inverter and start generating solar power without investing in a battery bank right away. For those living in areas with reliable grid access, this reduces upfront costs while still offering the flexibility to add batteries later for energy storage. Cons: no mobile app or smart monitoring. Although the inverter offers advanced power management, it lacks modern connectivity features like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for remote monitoring via a mobile app. This limits the ability to track system performance or receive alerts on the go, which is becoming a common feature in other hybrid solar inverters. The Powmr PIHY4600 hybrid solar inverter is a robust and efficient solution for users looking to integrate both grid-tied and off-grid solar power systems. Its all-in-one design simplifies the management of solar power, battery backup, and load sharing, making it ideal for both homeowners and businesses seeking flexibility and reliability. High efficiency ratings and the ability to scale with stacked units make it suitable for larger installations, while the wide battery voltage range allows for customization with different battery types. Next up at number 2 is the Powmr hybrid solar inverter. The Powmr hybrid solar inverter is a multifunctional solar energy system designed for high power performance, making it a versatile option for solar energy storage and utility charging. Featuring dual maximum power point tracking with 99.9% efficiency, this inverter offers excellent power optimization for solar panels. We'll break down its key features, followed by an analysis of its pros and cons. Pros: high efficiency dual MPPT. The Powmr hybrid solar inverter features dual MPPT technology with a remarkable 99.9% efficiency. This ensures that the solar panels are always operating at their maximum power output. The system supports 2 solar inputs, enabling simultaneous tracking of 2 different solar arrays. This flexibility is ideal for users with multiple panel configurations or high-power solar modules, compatible with multiple battery types. The inverter is compatible with various battery chemistries including AGM, gel, lead-acid, lithium-ion, and LiFePO4 batteries. This wide compatibility makes it a versatile choice for different energy storage setups. Additionally, the inverter can function without a battery, allowing users to set up solar power generation without the need for immediate battery investment. High power capacity with 10,000W continuous power and 20,000W surge power. This inverter is well suited for larger solar installations. It can handle significant loads, making it ideal for homes, small businesses, or even off-grid setups that require high power consumption. The split-phase and single-phase AC output options offer flexibility for different types of electrical systems. Multiple charging modes. The inverter offers 4 charging modes: solar only, mains priority, solar priority, and mixed mains PV charging. This flexibility allows users to prioritize different power sources based on availability, ensuring continuous power even during outages. The uninterrupted power supply UPS function ensures that essential devices stay powered without interruption during grid failures. Cons. Not ideal for small installations with its high power output and advanced capabilities. This inverter may be overkill for smaller solar installations or residential setups with lower energy demands. Users with small systems may find the extra power capacity and features unnecessary, resulting in an inflated cost for their needs. The Powmr hybrid solar inverter is a high-performance, multifunctional system designed for users with larger solar installations and diverse energy storage needs. Its dual MPPT with 99.9% efficiency, compatibility with various battery types, and 10,000W power capacity make it a powerful and versatile choice for homes, businesses, and off-grid applications. The multiple charging modes and advanced battery activation features add to its functionality, ensuring a reliable power supply under various conditions. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sungold Power UL1741 hybrid solar inverter. The Sungold Power UL1741 hybrid solar inverter is an advanced solar charge inverter designed for efficient energy management in both residential and commercial settings. This 8 kW hybrid inverter offers high performance, featuring pure sine wave output, dual MPPT solar controllers, and multiple charging and output modes. We break down the inverter's key features along with its pros and cons to help you decide if it suits your energy needs. Right, pros. High power output with a rated output of 8,000W and a peak power capacity of 16,000W. The Sungold Power hybrid solar inverter is suitable for large solar installations and can handle high energy loads. Its capability to support a 5 HP motor makes it ideal for homes or businesses with heavy electrical equipment or appliances. Dual MPPT solar controller. The built-in dual MPPT solar controllers enhance the system's efficiency by maximizing the power extracted from solar panels. With a 500 VDC open circuit voltage, it can manage high-power solar arrays, ensuring optimal performance in sunny conditions. This dual input system also allows for more flexible panel setups. Battery versatility and battery-free option. The inverter supports a wide range of battery types, including AGM, sealed, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries, making it highly versatile for various energy storage needs. For those not ready to invest in a battery, the system can function without one, allowing for solar power generation and grid-tied operation without requiring immediate battery storage. Cons. Heavy unit. The size and weight of the Sungold Power hybrid solar inverter could be a concern for some installations, particularly where space is limited or where the inverter needs to be wall-mounted. The larger design might limit placement options and require additional infrastructure for installation. The Sungold Power UL1741 hybrid solar inverter is an excellent option for users seeking a high-powered, flexible, and feature-rich solar inverter system. Its 8,000W output, dual MPPT technology, and ability to function with or without a battery make it ideal for large solar installations with diverse energy needs. The time-slot charging-discharging function and Wi-Fi monitoring add modern convenience, while the robust protection features ensure safe operation under various conditions.